Hi everyone, welcome to Solve Pages YouTube channel. Today we're going to see how to automate the backups using maintenance plans. So we have other options as well. You can use the PowerShell scripts, or you can use SQL Server agent job, or you can use any hologram scripts, anything. But today we can see how to do it using a maintenance plans. So for that you have to go to the management, then maintenance plans. So select maintenance plan wizard because we need to create different tasks for different backups. So select next. So give any name. I'm trying to give the name as tidy backups. So description is optional, you can put or you can ignore this. So I'm giving us a full backup will happen every week on Sunday, and differential backup for every day, and the log backup for every 15 minutes. So the description will help everyone to understand the backups schedule. So select the first option because for every backup should have a separate schedule. So that's why I have selected separate schedule for each task. All the backups should happen at the same time, then you can select this option. So in this case I need these backups to be happen on the separate schedules. So that's why I have selected this option. Go to the next and select full backup, differential backup and log backup. So first we configure the full backup. So let's see these options. If you select all databases, it will take all the databases including system databases and user databases. So if you select this one, it will take only system databases like master, model, MSDB. Since TempDB we cannot take any backups. Okay. If you select this one, it will take only user databases. It excludes system databases. So if you want to take some of the system databases and some of the user databases, you can select this option. So here I'm selecting test1 and testdb. I'm selecting two databases, that too user databases. I don't want to take any system databases. If you want to take it, you can select this one also, master. So I have selected the databases here. Coming to the destination, where these backups have to go. So what I have done is I have selected this path and I have created different folders for different backups. For full backup I have created separate folder here. I'm taking that path. I'm giving the same path here. See, if you select this option, if you're selecting multiple databases, it will create a separate folders for each database. So I have selected 3 databases, right? For 3 databases it will create a separate folders. Okay, and go to the schedule. So schedule, it has to happen every week on Sunday. What's the time now? 3:11. So I'm giving 3:15 so that we can validate right now. So 3:15 AM. It has to happen on Sunday. Today is Sunday. And we have different options. We can select these options, like if you need to take a copy only backup, or you can have to verify the backup, or you need any backup encryption, you can select here. Okay, I'm just ignoring this one. And the second one, differential backup. For differential backup also I'm selecting the same databases. There is testdb. I'm ignoring the master. For differential backup, destination, I have created separate folder, right? For differential I'm taking that path. So I'm giving the same path here. And the schedule, every day at we will put 3:17 or else 3:16. So 3:16, and I'm just ignoring these options. For the log backup, see this one, databases with simple recovery model will be excluded. So whatever the databases are in simple user mode, simple recovery model, we cannot take log backup, right? So I'm just selecting test. I cannot see the test DB here. Why? Because test DB is in simple recovery model. We can check that also. Check that one also. Like, see, test DB. I cannot say this. It is in full itself, but why I'm not say this? Because it is in mirroring or what? Like, see, yeah, I'm sorry. So test DB and the path. So I'm giving the same path here. So the error log report will write on this path. So next, finish. So I have successfully created the maintenance plans here. So we have created maintenance plan. See here, there are three sub plans here: sub plan 1, sub plan 2, and sub plan 3. So sub plan 1 is for full backup, 2 is for differential backup, and 3 is for log backup, because we have given 3 different schedules, right? So that's why there are 3 sub plans created. See, without an agent, we cannot create any maintenance plans. So the SQL Server agent should be online. See here, there are 3 jobs created. This is for full backup, this is for differential, this is for log backup. So I have given 315, right? So for 315, we can see full backup. Here, see, there are 3 folders created. There is a master, test, and test DB. So 316, we can see differential backup. Here we can see 316. I think I just forgot to give the schedule for log. So daily occurs every, let's say it is for every 1 minute. Yes, there is a schedule. Yes, now we can see log backup at 316, I guess. See, we can see differential backup. So after 1 minute, we can see the log. See here. So we have full backup, differential backup, and log backup. Okay, so in the next video we can see how to create a cleanup activity for these backups. So whatever the backups are happening in the data folders, those we can set a retention period and we can delete those using the maintenance plan. The backups will automatically delete it. That we can see in the next video. Thanks for watching.